To run PHP and to run databases on your computer usually is done with a server. Now luckily for us, there is a solution out there, which is software, actually many different types of software that will act like servers. Note that it doesn't change anything on your computer. It just helps you run PHP and databases in it. So let me show you what software I'm talking about right now. So, first of all, there are many different types of software. But we are going to be downloading only one, and this one is called XAMPP. Why we are downloading this? Because XAMPP is actually what they are saying, they are the most popular PHP development environment, and I have to kind of agree. Now, when you come to this screen here, you're going to have a button here for Windows, for Linux and for Mac OS. I'm on Windows right now, so I'm just going to click on the Windows button and this will download a file for me automatically. So I'm going to wait for 3 seconds. There we go. So, this is going to start downloading to my favorite directory on my computer, probably in Downloads folder. If it doesn't download automatically, just click on it here. It would take you to another site and it will do it automatically again. Alright. When this finishes downloading, just click on it and install the program, like install any program on your machine. Just installs it and follow the directions and everything is the default. I repeat, every option you choose as default and click OK. It should open up something called the Control Manager. If it will not open any Control Manager, go to XAMPP folder, probably located in C folder in your system, and open it again by clicking XAMPP control file. So that's where you will find it. Then just click Start buttons for MySQL and Apache in Control Panel and you're good to go. Now, you have to type localhost in your browser's address bar and hit enter. And you will see this window here, then your installation is good. Alright, then you successfully installed XAMPP on your system. If it's not, then you uninstalled the program and try installing it again. If you still have a problem, contact me and I will help you out as much as I can. Well, you saw what I did. To have that running, and again go to your localhost there on your browser, and that should be proof enough that we installed the software successfully. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care.